ON Semiconductor's FAN6390 adaptive USB Type-C charging controller is a fully autonomous secondary side USB-C power delivery controller that supports output profiles up to 60 watts and programmable power supply functionality to enable faster device charging. The high level of integration offered by the FAN6390 makes design and manufacturing easier. The controller uses a hardware-based state machine that manages the USB Type-C roll communications and cable orientation, as well as the USB PD communication stack, so there's no need for firmware development or interaction to establish the connection and negotiate the power contract. The controller integrates a synchronous rectifier control circuit and NMOS gate driver that provides V-bus load switching. It also has an output capacitor bleeding function for fast discharge during mode transitions and a fully discharged V-bus when required. The FAN6390 is designed to deliver the fast and efficient charging that users expect. It supports power profiles up to 60 watts with full support for USB PD 2.0, PD 3.0, and Programmable Power Supply functionality. Programmable Power Supply, or PPS, provides dynamic and granular control of voltage and current that enables fast charging with compatible sync devices. The controller also offers integrated CV and CC control blocks with a 10-bit DAC and 2 op-amps for dual-loop CC-CV control. The FAN6390 will automatically enter green mode operation when no valid Type-C sync is attached. This disables the synchronous rectifier block and other functions to reduce power consumption. It's also designed for use with a 5 milliohm external current sense resistor to minimize power loss. The controller offers extensive protections with auto restart functionality. It is housed in a 24-lead WQFN package and can operate from -40 to +125 degrees Celsius. And for more information on Semiconductor's FAN6390 adaptive USB Type-C charging controller and how it simplifies implementation of fast and efficient Type-C chargers, visit Mouser.com.